I'm so excited to show you guys what a typical installation for beaded webbed extensions looks like. I am so excited for you guys to see what kind of transformation can be made with extensions. If you've been thinking about getting hair extensions, but you wanted to see what the process looked like, or you thought your hair was too short and you didn't think that it would blend, I wanted to record this video on my short-haired guest to show you that it is possible and that the extensions blend seamlessly to where you don't even notice that they're there. It looks like her real hair. I just finished installing her first row, and now I'm going to be sectioning out for her second row. She's going to be wearing 2 rows of extensions. The average guest wears about 2 to 3 rows, and that's something that I customize to each guest depending upon their hair texture and how much hair that they have and how much blending needs to be done. What I love about these extensions is that you don't have a bunch of pieces throughout your entire head. These are just applied in a single row. There's minimal points of contact to your natural hair, making these less damaging and so much more comfortable to wear. Depending upon how many rows are being installed will depend on how much time the process takes. But on average, it takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to fully install a new set of extensions. For maintenance, you will need to come back in every 8 to 10 weeks to get them moved up because they do grow out with your natural hair. Caring for your extensions is super easy. I will send you home with an aftercare kit to make sure that you do get the longevity out of this hair, but if you take really good care of it, you can make one package of extensions last you for 9 months. Please let me know if you have any more questions after watching this video. You can reach out to me or you can schedule an in-person consultation. But if you love watching videos like this and want to see more about the services that I offer in the salon, please comment below, like and subscribe, and let me know what else you guys would like to see from me. Thanks for watching.